Welcome back, y'all. I'm back with another mukbang video. What's happening? It's your boy L Money 33, y'all. If you ain't did it yet, man, like and subscribe to my channel right now. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Everything going on this channel. How y'all doing, man? We got the snow crab legs today, and they look so delicious, and they look so nutritious. And then I got the Alfredo pasta on the side, the fettuccine Alfredo. You already know. You feel me though? Yeah. So what's been going down, man? Yeah. I'm about to get into this. If you like crab legs, comment down below. Oh. Yeah, man, what's going down? I got my little snow crab leg cutter thingy I got from one of them little crab spots one day. Let's see. I usually don't use these. I usually use my teeth, but oh shoot. Oh, y'all got the butter too, y'all. The butter game. You gotta have your butter game up. You feel me? Your butter game gotta be up. The butter set it off. You know what I'm saying? That's how I usually bust into them joints. Them back teeth. You feel me? Bust this joint open. Let y'all check it out on the close-up side. Bust it off. Bust it off. Bust it off. I got crab meat flying everywhere. And that's the inside of that crab meat, man. You feel me? That's the meat right there. I done busted him open. Busted him down. Dip it in this like this here. You feel me? Dip it in that butter, seasonings, bottom, third, drip it, clip it, get it. For sure. Well, get that meat up out of there. I ain't got that meat up out of there. There's still some left I got to go get. I got to go and get it. I got to go and get that. It got to come up out of there. You feel me? That meat got to come up out of there. I got to go in there and get that. You understand me? I got to. I got to go in there. I got to go in there and get that. Let me show y'all these Alfredo noodles here from. What y'all know about the fettuccine? Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. What y'all know about the fettuccine? You know what I'm saying? You can see the sauce on it. That fettuccine. You feel me? That fettuccine game. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And we doing it like this, man. So what's been going on with everybody, man? Like I said, if you ain't liked and subscribed yet, please do that at this time. love crab legs. I love crab legs and shrimp. These are some of my favorite foods, seafoods. I don't eat too much lobster. Sorry about all the sucking and shit, y'all, no homo. You wanna hear me bust into that motherfucker? I get up in that motherfucker. I get up in that motherfucker. I get up in it. Yeah, I don't eat too much lobster. Lobster is good, don't get me wrong. It just ain't what I prefer. When it comes down to seafood. You understand me? You understand me? I don't eat too much crawfish. I like them though. It tastes good. The right person make it. It takes too much of that. It takes too much to get down to the crawfish meat. Shit. This crab leg should be a lot sometimes. Shit, I'm trying to get to the meat. I'm trying to get in this motherfucker. I'm trying to get to know ya. What's up in that motherfucker? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what y'all been up to, man? Go check out my last video. I was eating at a little restaurant. I was just eating on my bed. Check out that meat though. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. That was a nice piece of meat right there. That was heavy. I'm too heavy in this thing, yeah. Yeah, to get about the game. Chop that up like a motherfucking oyster. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. Alright, I'm done with that piece. I was trying to watch that new Elvis movie yesterday. I couldn't get into it though. Little Alfredo game. Cheese. Comment down below if y'all seen the little new Elvis movie. Alfredo noodles busting. Busting. Today's drink we got the squirt. Squirt. Word. I'm too heavy in the thing, yeah, to get about the game. Squirt when you're thirsty. We'll get a free promo for the squirt coming in. Yeah, man. So let me know what kind of content y'all want to see from your boy, man. I do it all. Let me get up again like this here. I'm too heavy in this thing, yeah, to get about the game. I'm gonna have to flop this part out too, like an oyster. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Crab meat going everywhere. Crab meat going everywhere. And there you have it. Got to have it. Dip that, dip that, dip that. And get back, get back, get back. Dip that, dip that, dip that. You know what I'm saying? Then do it like that. You know what I'm saying? I got to get up in there and get that meat. I got to get up in there. I got to get up in there and get that meat. I got to get up in there now. Comment down below. What's your favorite seafood? Shrimp, crab, lobster, oysters, clams, crawfish. What's your favorite dish? I'll be in the mix. Sure tastes good to me. Yeah, man. Yeah. Check me out on Instagram. Damn, I got crab meat all in my hair and shit. And check me out on Instagram. L Money, at L Money. Check me out on TikTok. L Money Tatted 330. I'm on all that. Yeah. Crab meat all in my hair and shit. You feel me? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Excuse me. I was trying to pull this whole thing out, but it broke. Yeah, yeah. So tastes good to me. I could double dip. But I ain't sharing with nobody. I'm gonna double dip my ass off, god damn it. I was running hot. Yeah, 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 yeah. This little top part leg piece be having a little decent amount of meat in it too. Today. Kind of sharp. Yeah, 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 yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. What's been going on though, y'all, man? I know I ain't posted as frequently as I'm supposed to be. You know how life is. Sometimes life will take you through hurdles and twists. You know. Then on that end part, have some decent little meat. Comment down below how y'all be eating that part. Mm-hmm. Bear with me, y'all. Y'all don't forget to go check out my music too. I got some real good music on my channel. Go to my channel, check out all the music I got on there. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think about that. You feel me? Slurp that out of there like an oyster. Yeah, go check out all my other videos, y'all. I got some good shit. Good content. Tearing these crab legs up. I remember my mom used to make frog legs when I was little. Comment down below if y'all ever have frog legs. You ever been a frog leg eating motherfucker? I'm going in. Yeah. I'm full now, y'all. Fettuccine Alfredo. The fettuccine Alfredo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, please. Comment down below. Let me know how it goes. Whew. Squat, 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 squat. That's the end of my video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check me out. Go check out my last video, y'all. Please, it's a banger. I know y'all love me. I love y'all. Peace. I'm out. Deuces.